in order to find the line of best fit for these points, we are going to use our TI 84 Plus calculator, which you will have for your work symbol, and we are going to go to the Stat button. Then we're going to go down to Edit. Oh, that's sort. We're going to go down to Edit, press Enter, and we get this beautiful L1 and L2. You are going to enter your X values, aka all the prices, into the L1 column. Then in the L2 column, which you would get to by using the arrows back and forth, you're going to put the Y values in the L2 column. So I'm going to enter these. So for the price, which is in X value, so that's one in L1, we're going to put $8.99, enter. And notice how it puts it right there. So then we got $10.99, enter. $11.99. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this and hold my phone. Gotta make sure I'm still recording this. $13.99. And last but not least, we have $14.99. And if you're wondering, again, where I got these numbers, these are from the X values on the top of this chart for the prices. So now the Y values are going to go into L2. So in order to move over to L2, we're just going to press this arrow and then enter all of our L2 values. So we have $6.50, $6.10, $5.40, $4.60, and $4.10, and $3.30. Alright, so now that I'm all done, I'm going to go press, not those arrows, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to go back to Stat. And I'm going to go to Calc up here, you see how that shifted? And then I'm going to go down to Lin Reg, which is talking about the line of regression that's going to go through all of these points. So we're going to go to this line of regression, which is at number 4. We're going to press Enter. Then we're going to go down to Calculate. And then we are going to press Enter again. And it gives us, for the line of regression, it's going to follow this pattern, y equals ax plus b, not mx plus b. It's a little different, but we have ax plus b. And we're going to write it, we're going to write down a and b, and we're going to put b, 1181.3. 0, we're going to put that right there for B. And then for the other part of this is we're going to write negative 55.28, or 29 in this case. It's got to focus. Sorry, my video's got to focus. Okay, if you guys can see that, 0.29 is going to go in the A spot. And then you'll just leave X on my blank. And in the future, we're going to plug in certain numbers in for Y, see what we get out for X. We're going to plug in certain numbers in for X and see what we get out for Y. And that's why we are finding the line of regression here, so that we can use this equation to plug in values like $17.99. What would happen if we plugged in $17.99 as the price in this equation? Or what would happen if we plugged in 500 for the amount of CDs sold into this equation? So we are going to write this down. Oh boy, one-handed. Y equals ax plus b, and for here we have for a negative 55, negative 55.29. We're rounding up just to the nearest hundredths place, or just the first two decimals, and then we're just gonna put a little, and then our b is a positive 1181.30. All right, so then on the calculator at the high school, you're basically gonna see a little thing that says r squared equals da da da, and then r equals, oh, not r squared, just r. I'm not a calculator wizard. I don't really know how to switch over the mode of my calculator, but just pretend that this is giving you an option for r squared and an option for r. That's going to be what's called our correlation coefficient, which is relevant to problem number 2. And we are going to basically ignore this r squared. We don't care about r squared. We want to look at r. And so in this case, I calculated that r for this example equals 0.98. Oh, and it's a negative